I feel grateful that I have a career where I can come to work every day and I don't feel like it's a job. As general surgeons, we take care of a number of different problems, including emergency surgery and elective general surgery. For me, being a leader in surgery at ChristianaCare is an important role, and it's one that comes with a lot of responsibility and a lot of opportunity. And I really think about the opportunity to impact the health of our community as a whole, and it's something that I really enjoy. The father of two beautiful little girls. My girls like wearing fancy braids. A lot of people compliment them, and usually my wife, on their braids, and they're surprised to learn that I'm actually the braid expert in the house. What's your favorite braid?
Double Dutch braids.
Double Dutch braids. Come home every day and I feel like I had the opportunity to have a positive impact on the health of people in my community, and that feels good. Hi, I'm Matt Rubino, general surgeon, husband, and father.